So next question. A man wants to buy 62 shares available at rupees 132, par value rupees 100. So the information that we have is that this is the market value, this is the par value. So as discussed earlier, so the company, the demand of the share in the market is more. So that is why the share is available at premium. At premium implies that the par value is rupees 100, the nominal value is rupees 100, but the market value is rupees 132. And if I want to buy these 62 shares, I will have to buy these shares from the market at the rate of rupees 132 per share. So the investment that I'll have to make would be equal to 62 multiplied by 132. Remember that. This is the investment that I'll have to make. How much he invests? So 62 multiplied by 132. So this would be equal to 8184. 8184. I've done the calculation. You can also check. This would be 8184. Now, if the dividend is 7.5%, what will be his annual income? See, what you need to understand is that dividend is always at the nominal value. So this is the value at which he will get the dividend. So 7.5%. This is the dividend multiplied by the number of shares that he has, 62, multiplied by the par value, rupees 100. So when I calculate this, I will get the dividend. So how I'll calculate this is 7.5 divided by 100 multiplied by 62 multiplied by 100. You calculate this and you will get the annual income, annual dividend value, which is equal to rupees 465. You can calculate, you can verify if this it is not 465. Please comment so that I know that I've made some mistake. Okay, so this is the annual income. If he wants to increase his annual income by rupees 150, so this is the, he wants to increase the his annual income by rupees 150. How many extra shares he buys? Should he buy? See, on one share, let me make some space here. See, let us see what the income that he is able to generate on one share. So on rupees 100, the company is giving him a dividend of 7.5%. Now, if you calculate, this will come to be rupees 7.5. Okay. Now, this rupees 7.5 is the income as dividend per share. Now, what he wants to increase his annual income by 150 rupees. So, how many shares should he buy? 150 divided by 7.5. So, this will go above. So, 75 twos are 20. So, he'll have to buy extra 20 shares. Yeah, extra 20 shares. So this is how you can do. And again, if you want to look at the formulas, these are the formulas you can use. Money invested is equal to number of shares into the market value. Always remember. And yeah, income that he gets as a dividend would be equal to number of shares into dividend percent into the face value. So this is another formula that was used here. And so this was a simple question. We are starting with simple questions, and later we'll have some difficult questions also. I hope this question is clear. Let's move to the next question.